Oh, that was terrible timing, Jonas. You just spit that all up on your shirt. Yeah, you did.
Still tastes okay though, doesn't it?
What's he doing? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
It's good stuff, huh?
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I saw his face as soon as I put that on. I was like, oh no.
What do you really think of blueberries? Huh? They're good, huh?
Last one.
Even when you eat them off your sleeve.
Was that bad?
No.
I mean, it wasn't really touched.